Alright, so this is Drug Busters. We're setting up a hidden camera right here, and there's supposed to be a drug deal going on down there. And hopefully we'll be able to bust these people, and yeah, they're gonna go to jail. Let's see how this turns out. It's supposed to be on the wall. Alright. Hey man, check it out. See this button right here? If you press it, someone on Earth dies.
That's stupid. It's a button on paper. You spelled demolition wrong.
If you press it, someone on Earth dies.
Friggin' lag.
Someone on Earth just died.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Dude,
every
stop.
5 seconds.
Stop. No.
Faker. This does nothing. You suck.